Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In this video, I'm talking about thunderstorm safety tips. The dawns during a thunderstorm. The first one, stay away from water as it is a great conductor of electricity. Yes guys, water is a great conductor of electricity. Do not shower during thunderstorm. Do not stand in puddles. Do not wash dishes. Do not wash clothes. Guys, do not use corded telephone. Do not touch electronic outlets during a thunderstorm. Avoid electric devices like laptops and cell phones. Avoid using electronic appliances. Keep away from tall trees. Stay off porches. Bye bye guys, be safe.